Welcome to Wiggle Giggle! Let's wiggle and giggle with songs, stories, and smiles.
Here comes the bus, hooray, hooray, here comes the bus today. Driver waves, hello, hello, the children wave and say, let's go! The big bus wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The big bus wheels go round and round, rolling through the town. Splash, splash, splash through the rainy day, rainy day, rainy day. Little ducks swim all the way as the bus rolls on today. Wave, wave, wave as the bus goes by, bus goes by, bus goes by. Children and animals wave hello, on a sunny day we go. The happy driver says, come on in, come on in, come on in. Hop on board with a happy grin, more little friends come in. The little baby cries, wah, 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 wah. Mama holds the baby close as the happy bus goes. Everybody says, shh, 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 shh. Even the driver says, shh,